You are listening to SDO Isabela Radio-Based Instruction.
Learning never stops in Radyo Eskwela, your school on air.
Your partner in achieving fun learning experiences. Let's listen, enjoy, and have fun in learning mathematics. Stay tuned.
Hello, grade 6 learners!
Oh, yeah!
I hope you are doing great today. Being with you, my dear math enthusiasts, in today's Radyo Eskwela sa Isabela brings me joy.
Wow!
I am your teacher on air, Teacher Donita Jane B. Canceran, your mathematics buddy, who will be with you and help you in your mathematics journey.
Oh, yeah!
Today is another fun math learning episode, which I am sure will equip you with knowledge, especially in solving math problems mentally.
Wow!
Yes, you heard it right. Solving math problems without using paper and pen. That's awesome, right?
Oh, yeah!
Have you experienced joining parlor games where you are asked to solve math problems and the first to give the correct answer wins? If you can do mental computation, that is pretty cool. You can win the game and prizes will surely be given to you or to your team.
Wow!
I know every one of you misses those parlor games, especially during Christmas parties. So, let's do our part and let's all cooperate in complying with the IHCF protocols in order to stop this pandemic.
Okay!
Today, we shall be learning dividing decimals mentally. We all know that dividing mentally is useful not only during parlor games and in answering math exams, but also in our daily undertakings. I hope that you'll be with me until the end of this lesson. Can you still remember our previous lesson, learners? Great! It's all about division of decimals by whole numbers. What are the steps in dividing decimals by whole numbers? That's right. First step is to divide normally as it is for whole numbers. Second is place the decimal point directly above the decimal point in the dividend. And third step is write in the usual form and insert zeros to the dividend when needed. I hope that you will remember these steps so you won't get confused whenever you divide decimal numbers with whole numbers. This is essential in our daily undertakings. If you can still remember, I made mention a while ago about parlor games. Before we proceed with the discussion of our lesson for today, let's have first a game. It's very simple. Just clap the number of zeros in a given decimal number and stomp your feet with the number of zeros in a given whole number. I repeat, clap the number of zeros in a given decimal number and stomp your feet with the number of zeros in a given whole number. I hope you're ready. Let's do it. 0.01 0.02 0.1%. 0.001, 1,000, 10, 100. I hope you enjoyed the game.
Oh yeah!
Have you noticed that in our game, the number of zeros was emphasized? It is because in our lesson for today, we will divide decimals by 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, 10, 100, and 1,000 mentally. Are you ready? That's great! Let us now unveil the process of dividing decimals mentally. Notice the following examples. Number 1, 51.287 divided by 0.1 equals n. Number 2, 51.287 divided by 0.01 equals n. Number 3, 51.287 divided by 0.001 equals n. What have you noticed in the given examples? You're right! We have the same dividends but different divisors, which are 0.1, 0.01, and 0.001. Here are the following steps in dividing decimals. First, make the divisor a whole number. We can do it by multiplying the divisor to 10, 100, 1,000, or simply move the decimal point to the right. Second, do the same to the dividend what you did to the divisor. To understand this better, let's have example number 1. 51.287 divided by 0.1 equals n. First, make the divisor a whole number. Multiply the divisor by 10 or simply move the decimal point one place to the right to make it a whole number. What is the resulting number? Correct! 51.287 becomes 512.87. After that, we need to do the same on the dividend by moving the decimal point one place to the right. Our dividend is 0.1. What is the resulting number? Correct! 0.1 becomes 1. Third, proceed to dividing them like whole numbers. Our new equation is 512.87 divided by 1 equals 512.87. Easy, right? Let's proceed with example number 2. Let's make the divisor a whole number by multiplying the divisor by 100 or move the decimal point 2 places to the right to make it a whole number. Our divisor is 51.287. What is the resulting number? Correct! 51.287 becomes 5128.7. Then, do the same to the dividend by moving 2 places to the right. The dividend is 0.01. What is the resulting number? Correct! 0.01 becomes 1. Let's now proceed to dividing them like whole numbers. Our new equation is 5128.7 divided by 1 equals 5128.7. Did you get it? Wow! You're fast learners! Let's have example number 3. First, we have to make the divisor a whole number. So, let's multiply the divisor by 1000 or simply move the decimal point to the rightmost of the divisor. What is the resulting number? Correct! 51.287 becomes 51287. Do the same with the dividend. Move the decimal point 3 places to the right since we moved the decimal point of the divisor 3 places to the right. Then, proceed to division. What is the resulting number? Correct! 0.001 becomes 1. The new equation is 51287 divided by 1 equals 51287. Did you notice something with our 3 given examples? That's good! It was noticeable that when a decimal is divided by 0.1, just move the decimal point of the dividend 1 place to the right, and we will have the new form dividend as the quotient. When the decimal is divided by 0.01, just move the decimal point of the dividend 2 places to the right, and the new form dividend will be the quotient. Lastly, when a decimal is divided into 0.001, move the decimal point of the dividend 3 places to the right. Then, the new form dividend is now the quotient. I hope all of you have the same observation. Now, learners, how about dividing decimals by 10, 100, and 1000? Let's have these examples. Number 1, 23.12 divided by 10. The divisor 10 has 1 0. Therefore, move the decimal points of the dividend 1 place to the left. The new decimal number formed is now the quotient. Our equation will be 23.12 divided by 10 equals 2.312. Easy peasy, right? Let's proceed with example number 2. 23.12 divided by 100. Since there are 2 zeros in the divisor, move the decimal points of the dividend 2 places to the left. The new decimal number formed is the quotient. Hence, 23.12 divided by 100 equals 0.2312. Understood? Great! Example number 3. 23.12 divided by 1000. The divisor, which is 1000, has 3 zeros. What shall we do then? Correct! Move the decimal points of the dividend 3 places to the left. Notice that moving 3 places to the left, there will be no more digits before 2. So, we need to affix zeros on the empty spaces. The new decimal number formed is the quotient. Hence, 23.12 divided by 1000 equals 0.02312. When dividing decimals by 10, 100, and 1000, You just have to move the decimal points of the dividend to the left based on the number of zeros of the divisor. Remember to add zeros on the empty decimal places. Is that clear, learners? I hope that you understand our discussion very well. Now, let's have an activity. Find the quotients of the following mentally. I repeat, find the quotients of the following mentally. Number 1. 0.35 divided by 0.1 equals. Number 2. 19.5 divided by 0.01 equals. Number 3. 0.027 divided by 0.001 equals. Number 4. 1.58 divided by 10 equals. Number 5. 9.12 divided by 100 equals. Number 6. 12.95 divided by 1000 equals. And now let's check your answers. Number 1. 3.5. Number 2, 1,950. Number 3, 27. Number 4, 0.158. Number 5, 0.0912. Number 6, 0.01295. I hope you all got a perfect score. Remember these, learners. In dividing decimal numbers by 0.1, 0.01, and 0.001, just move the decimal points of the dividend to the right based on the number of decimal places the divisor has. Whatever number that will be formed, that is the quotient. Moreover, in dividing decimal numbers by 10, 100, and 1000, just move the decimal point of the dividend to the left based on the number of zeros the divisor has. Whatever number is formed, that is now the quotient. This time, kindly get a clean sheet of paper and answer exercise number 2 on page 141 of your learning activity sheet. I repeat, please answer exercise number 2 on page 141 of your learning activity kit. I will give you a few minutes to complete the table.
Ito ang bagong simula, ang bagong normal, bagong umagang parating. Ito ang tamang panahon upang maghanda sa bagong hamon harapin. Hindi magbabago ang hanap ng pusong tumulong at ituloy ang ating misyon. Dahil anuman ang sitwasyon, tuloy ang edukasyon, walang maiiwan, lahat ay aahon. Sama-sama tulong-tulong sa ating pagsulong. Anuman ang sitwasyon, tuloy ang edukasyon, tuloy, tuloy, tuloy. Tuloy ang Pilipinas sa gitna ng pandemya, tayo ay magsama-sama kapatid. Kababayan, dapat kang makialam. Halina at tulungan ang ating paaralan. Ipagpatuloy lang natin ang ating sinimulan. At sa bawat paghapang, bakit sa pangarap kong hagdan, ipalaganap ang pag-ibig at gintong kaalaman. Kahit sarado ang pinto, huwag tayong huminto. Dahil ang edukasyon ay higit pa sa ginto. Katulong ang bawat isa at pamahalaan. Ang lahat ng ito ay malalampas ang taas kung haharapin ang realidad. Ating isigaw, sulong edukalidad. Sulong edukalidad.
Magbabago ang hanap ng pusong tumulong at ituloy ang ating misyon. Dahil anuman ang sitwasyon, tuloy ang edukasyon. Walang maiiwan, lahat ay aahon. Sama-sama tulong-tulong sa ating pagsulong. Anuman ang sitwasyon, tuloy ang edukasyon. Dahil anuman ang sitwasyon, tuloy, tuloy. Walang maiiwan, lahat ay aahon. Sama-sama tulong-tulong sa ating pagsulong. Anuman ang sitwasyon, tuloy ang edukasyon. Tuloy, tuloy, tuloy. Tuloy ang edukasyon.
Time's up! I guess all of you are already done. It's now time to check your answers. Are you ready? Remember, be honest checking your answers. For number 1, 0.492 divided by 100 equals 0.00492, and 0.492 divided by 1000 equals 0.000492. Number 2, 0.0168 divided by 10 equals 0.00168, and 0.0168 divided by 1000 equals 0.000168. Number 3, 0.0092 divided by 10 equals 0.00092, and 0.0092 divided by 100 equals 0.0000092. Number 4, 0.34 divided by 100 equals 0.0034, and 0.34 divided by 1000 equals 0.00034. Number 5, 0.0175 divided by 10 equals 0.00175, and 0.0175 divided by 100 equals 0.000175. How's your score? I hope you all did great. If not, try to go over your learning activity sheets and practice solving problems using the steps that we have discussed. If you have questions about this topic, don't hesitate to call or message your advisor or math teacher. Because you did a good job today, you deserve a fireworks clap. And there you go. We have practiced once again our math skills. I hope that you have learned something new today. Let me end today's lesson with this quote by Anthony D'Angelo. Develop a passion for learning. If you do, you will never cease to grow. I hope, my dear learners, that you will be able to develop a passion for learning. On behalf of our scriptwriter for this episode, Ma'am Elisa M. Muyalde, and the SDO Isabela RBI production team, this is your teacher on air, Teacher Donita Jane B. Canceran, your math buddy. Have a wonderful day, learners. Till next time.
Patuloy ang edukasyon para sa ating henerasyon.
Sa daan ng pagkatuto ay walang may iwan.
Kaya halina sa Radyo Eskwela!